Transformations
by Sarah Newton
and Kate Rasch.
So the first type of transformation is a translation. So you shift up, you go from xy to x comma y plus k. And if you want to shift it down, you do xy to x comma y minus k. If you want to shift left, you do x comma y to x plus h comma y. And if you want to shift right, do x comma y to x minus h comma y.
Okay, for dilations, if you want to do a vertical stretch, you're going to go from x comma y to x comma y times k. And if you want to do a vertical shrink, you're going to do x comma y to x comma 1 over k times y. To do a horizontal stretch, you're going to do x comma y to k times x comma y. And if you want to do a horizontal shrink, you're going to do xy to 1 over kx comma y.
If you want to reflect it, over the x-axis, do x comma y to x comma negative y, and over the y-axis is x comma y to negative x comma y. If you want to do a reflection over y equals negative x, you do x comma y to negative x comma negative y, and over the y equals x, you do x comma y to x comma negative y. For rotations, if you want to do 90 degrees, you do x comma y to y comma negative x. And if you want to do 180 degrees, you do x comma y to negative x negative y. For the last rotation, 270 degrees, you do x comma y to negative x comma negative y comma x.
Okay, so just to overview, this is a general equation that you can follow for doing transformations. To do a vertical shrink or stretch, you're going to do the absolute value of A is greater than 1, and the absolute value to stretch it and to shrink it, the absolute value of A is less than 1. To do a horizontal stretch or shrink, the absolute value of B is greater than 1, will shrink it, and the absolute value of B is less than 1 is going to stretch it. For a horizontal shift, if C is less than 0, it will shift it right, and if C is greater than 0, it will shift it left. For a vertical shift, if D is greater than 0, it will shift it up, and if D is less than 0, it will shift it down. Okay, so an example problem, if it's 2 root x plus 1 plus 1, A is 2, C is 1, and D is 1. So this is going to stretch by 2 in the y direction, shift it left 1, and shift it up 1. So hopefully that helped. Thanks for watching.